How to create Gmail account without phone number. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Gmail application on your device, and if you already have an account, let's now create a Gmail account over here. Simply tap on your profile at the top right and select on add another account. Tap on Google, and as you tap on Google, just wait for a while as it wants to check the info. So let's wait for a while over here, and as you do that, tap on the create account option over here at the top left, then select on for my personal use over here. Now you just need to select the name for yourself. So let's select a name, then tap on next. As you tap on next, you just need to enter your birthday. So I'm gonna put a very random one over here, and then select on the gender, then tap on next. Now here it gives us the email address to choose from, or you can also create your own Gmail address. I'm going to select the first one over here, then tap on next. And then you just need to create a password over here for this particular Gmail account, and then tap on next and verify yourself. And after that, you do not need to have or add any sort of phone number, and this way you can create Gmail account without phone number. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.